Hello everyone, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning,
Morning, sir.
sir.
Okay, good. So today in this class we will discuss about one type of text that must be understood, like you see in this slide. That is a procedural text. So before moving on the core of the current learning activity, I want to ask you guys: have you ever made anything?
Hello, sir. Yes, sir, I have.
Okay, that's good, Kamala. So what are you doing?
I make fried rice.
Fried rice? That sounds good. And what do you need when you make a fried rice?
Um, I forgot about that, but I think I need rice, egg, onion, oil, pan, and spatula, and also I'm making it for the step, I think.
Okay, that's good. Of course, when we make something, we definitely need tools and materials. And what are the steps for making it? It is a component of the procedure text. So, the next question, what do you know about procedure text, guys?
So, can I try, sir?
Okay, Adi.
Well, thank you for the change. In my mind, procedure text is a text that explains or help us about how to make or use something. With a social function is to describe how something is completely done through a sequence of steps. I think that's all, sir. Thank you.
Okay, good. Thank you, Adi. So, the second question, what do you know about procedure text? Who want to answer?
Pardon, sir.
Okay, Santiago, go on.
Okay. I usually find procedure text in cookbooks, magazines, internet, and YouTube, sir.
Okay, good. We usually find procedure text in uh, cookbooks, magazine, internet, and YouTube, right? So the third question, what is the purpose of procedure text? Who want to answer?
May I try, sir?
Okay, Cecilia, go on.
Okay, the purpose of procedure text is to describe how something is made through a sequence of action or steps.
Okay, thank you, Cecilia. The answer good. Okay, what is procedure text actually? A procedure text is a kind of text about how to do something. It contains of how-to instruction. A procedure text also contains about series of steps of action. And the purpose of procedure text is to describe how something is made or done through a sequence of steps. Recipe, manuals, rules, direction, and instructions belong to procedure text. And a recipe is a set of instructions used for preparing and producing a certain food, dish, or drink. Okay. Okay, before studying this topic, it is hoped that you will be able to. The first one is short random procedure text systematically, and the second one is sort random procedure text systematically. Okay, the general structure of procedure text. First one is there is title, goal, materials, and steps. Okay, the title is written at the beginning, and goal is states what it's going to do, and material is content about things that we need to make or do, and step is series of action that we have to. So let's talk about language feature. There are four language feature in a processor text. The first one is using technical vocabulary, for example, bake, grill, microwave, grams, and etc. And the second one is using imperative sentences. For example, is combine the flour, sugar, and cocoa powder in medium bowl. And the third one is using commands, verbs, for example, add, put, pour, and heat. And last one is using sequence. For example, is first, second, then after that, etc. Okay. Okay, now it's time to see the picture. Are you ready, guys?
Yes, sir.
Ready, sir.
Ready, sir.
Thank you. Okay, this is a picture. Maybe you can see the slide.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, did you enjoy to see the picture earlier? If yes, let's talk answer the following question, okay?
Okay, sir.
So, okay, thank you, Arina. So, the first one is, what do you think when you see the picture? Okay, Arina, go on.
Okay, sir. I think that is a fertilizer.
Fertilizer. Yes, that's right, Arina. It's similar to fertilizer, but to be clear, the picture is compost. So the example of procedure text that we will discuss today is how to make compost, right? So, have you ever made compost?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet.
Okay, okay, it's okay. No problem. Today it's your time to learn to make compost. Santia Manihadi. Okay, you can see the slide. I will give a procedure text that we will analyze together. So after you read and see the pictures of how to make compost, I will ask you again. I will give you time to read the text. Okay, time's up. So I have question. So who want to answer the first question? What the structure of the procedure text?
Me, sir.
Okay, Janissa, go on.
So the structure of procedure text are goal, list of things, or materials and tools, and also steps.
Okay, good, Janissa. Okay, who want to answer the second question?
Me, sir.
Cecilia, go on.
Okay, the materials that we need here are dried leaves and nitrogen supplement.
Okay, that's great. So the third question is, what are the steps for making this procedure text? Who want to answer?
Can I, sir?
Okay, Adi, go on.
Okay, so actually, to make a compost, there are three steps. The first one is, shred or green the leaves, and the second one is mix 4-part ground leaves with 1-part manure or other material liberally supplemented with nitrogen. And the last one is turn the heap every 3 days, and turning a heap made of shared leaves is not difficult because the compost is light and fluffy.
Okay, thank you, Adi. So I think you all already understand what the training structure, the goals, and the material of this text. So good job, there's. And today we already learned about what's procedure text, the very structure, as well as the little features storing the text into correct text. So before we close to the lesson, I will give you homework. This is another example of procedure text, and please reanalyze this picture text as we started earlier and compare this procedure text by paying attention to the structure of the text and language features. So I think you can screenshot this text for your homework. Okay, it's done. So, well, Gerald, thank you so much for attending my class. So, do you have any question?
No, sir, that's clear.
No, sir. It's clear.
Okay, thank you so much. and see you for the next meeting.
Thank you, sir. See you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.